dolphin splashes in the sea, tracing an E with waves so free. A robot named Eddy draws with delight a shiny green E in the twinkling light. E is for everyone, come and see. Elephants, earth, and endless glee. Everywhere you look, there's magic to be. The letter E is the key to the spree. Emmy the fish in her bubbly zone spells E in the tank with a giggly groan. A kitten and robot chase tails in the sun. E for excitement, they're having such fun. E is for everyone, sing with me. Eagles, elves, and energy. Every friend you meet, every laugh set free. The letter E paints a world of glee. In the forest, critters dance in a ring. A turtle spins E's as the fireflies sing. A giraffe croons low, echo let's play. The letter E brightens everyone's day. E is for everyone, shout hip hooray. Explore, enjoy, it's the E way. From earth to the stars, just wait and see. The letter E's your friend forever. Yippee!
F is for fun, come play with me. The dragon flies so wild and free. The dolphin flips in the ocean blue, singing F with me and you. F is for friends and funny feet. F is for frogs who hop to the beat. Forest full of dancing cheer, with the letter F so near. The turtle taps a little drum, while animals play and sing along. The robot draws a glowing F, while the kitten laughs and spins to the left. F is for friends and funny feet. F is for foxes who dance in the street. Fireflies lighting up the night. F is shining big and bright. The puppy walks with wagging tail, sniffing flowers along the trail. Everybody shouts, hooray! F is here, let's laugh and play. F is fun,